up first?
Well, they're like Advil liquid gels, but they're like fish oil.
Make sure it's pointing away. Like, that's not a bad direction, away from my door.
Okay. There's no light! Dead!
How are we gonna know what
I
happened?
don't know, usually there's a light. What happened to the light inside it?
Probably broken. There you go. Put this on. I'll go get my hat. Now, what is that? Gel that go fizzing or what?
They're like those Advil liquid gels, like a thick kind of thing with gel inside it.
How much time do you give
So,
them?
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to film anything.
Light bulb, yeah.
Light bulb. I don't know though. You might not even be able to see it. That kind of sucks.
I know.
I always do it in the microwave upstairs.
Should that one in the microwave?
Yeah, it's not explosive. Well, the bulb might break, but it's not going to blow it up. Radiation is fun. I smell something.
I don't know.
Oh, it. Let me get behind it. Because I don't want to smell. See anything happen?
No.
Damn.
Wait. They melted.
Oh, lovely. Really? No, they said let it cool off. So I think we should just do it for 30 seconds
Yeah.
so that it doesn't blow up. And then we might be able to see something. And then we'll blow it up after.
Okay.
Oh! Oh!
What happened?
Come look! Hurry! Hurry, Dad! Hurry! Hurry hard!
Holy crap, what happened? You watching TV?
Oh my God!
When you blow up in that?
Light bulb.
Light bulb!
You mean it lit up?
Yeah, it's fire!
Fire!
Yeah!
Oh, it caught on fire and it blew through.
Yeah, they turned purple!
Holy Christ.
What? Can I have another light bulb?
No, they're expensive. You want to pay for it?
happened?
Close
Put the
the
light
door
bulb in,
first.
and apparently it like changes colors. They said it would like go like all different colors. We put it in, and we're like, we're not gonna be able to see anything because the light inside wasn't working. But like
the
the thing,
bulb
it
blew
turns on, and you can see it. Like it's bright. It turns on, and it goes
Purple!
And
And
then
then
And then it blew
it
up!
like starts to
Blows
like
up.
bubble, and then it catches fire. Oh, we're gonna